Let's jump into our domain controller, plabdmo1. In Server Manager, click on Tools, then Group Policy Management. Let's expand to practicelabs.com forest, then Domain. Right mouse click on the Marketing OU. Select Create a GPO in this domain. We'll name this one WinZip 9. Click on Marketing. Right mouse click on WinZip 9. Select Edit. From GPME, go down to User Configuration, Policies, Software Settings, then Software Installation. Right mouse click on it, select New, Package. From the file name box, let's type in the location of our package. And WinZip 9 automatically populated. Click Open. Select Install. Click Open. From the Deploy Software pop-up, click on Advanced, then OK. From the WinZip properties, go to the Deployment tab, select Assigned. In the deployment options, select uninstall this application when it falls out of scope of management, and click OK. So WinZip is now set for deployment via GPO. Let's jump into our Windows 8 box. And log in as our user, Lisa Wybridge. Notice that WinZip is now on our desktop. Double click on WinZip. And here you see it, we have the ability to install it. We'll go ahead and log out of Lisa Wybridge right now. So for this exercise, we're going to uninstall WinZip and replace it with a free open source alternative. We're back in plabd. Right mouse click on Marketing, select Create a GPO on this domain and link it here. We'll name this one 7zip and click OK. Now let's select 7zip and click the double arrow to move it to the top. Right mouse click on 7zip, select Edit. Again, navigating from User Configuration, Policy, Software Settings, and Software Installation. Right mouse click it, select New and Package. Go ahead and enter the location for the 7zip. Click OK. Advanced. OK. Deployment. Assigned. In deployment options, use this application when it falls out of scope of management. Uninstall this application when it falls out of scope of management. Okay. Let's take a look at the upgrade settings here. Let's click on the upgrades tab. Click add. From the add upgrade package, let's select a specific GPU. Click on browse. Select WinZip 9. Click OK. Make sure uninstall the existing package, then install the upgrade package is selected. Then click OK. Then click OK. Notice the GPO editor only shows 7-zip right now. It got rid of the WinZip. We'll go ahead and close the editor. Jump back into our Windows 8 box. Connect again with Lisa's account. So from the desktop we still see WinZip. Let's open a commands prompt. Do a GP update force. Click the start charm. Sign out of Lisa. Sign back in with Lisa. WinZip should have been gone from our desktop, but let's see if 7-zip is available to us. It looks like it might be. Nope, actually it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to restart this machine. Okay, let's try GP update force again. Let's right mouse click on the engineering OU and group policy management. Select create a GPU on this domain and link it here. We'll name this one WinZip 9 published. Now inside of the linked group policy objects, select WinZip 9 published, right mouse click, edit. Navigate down to user configuration, policies, software settings, right mouse click on software installation, choose new, package. Navigate to the WinZip file, click OK. In deployment software, select advanced, click OK. Click on the deployment tab. The publish tab is selected. Go down to deployment options and put a check mark on uninstall this application when it falls out of the scope of management, and click OK. Let's jump back into our Windows 8 box. We'll log in via Elizabeth Scott. Let's open up File Explorer, type Control on the address bar, navigate down to the Programs section, click on Get Programs, and notice WinZip is currently available for you. Double click it and you've installed WinZip. So in our next procedure, we're going to uninstall the application via GPO. Let's go back to the Marketing OU. Select 7-zip, right mouse click on it. Select Edit. Navigate down to User Configuration, Policies, Software Settings, right mouse click on Software Installation. Actually, no right mouse click. Just select Software Installation, then right mouse click on the 7-zip, All Task, and select Remove. And we'll go with the default immediately uninstall the software from users and computers, and click OK. We'll X out of this, and we'll do the same thing for WinZip. Right mouse click on it, select Edit, User Configuration, Policies, Software Settings, Software Installation, right mouse click on 7-zip, All Task, Remove, immediately uninstall the software from users and computers, click OK. Let's jump back into our Windows 8 box to verify our changes. Let's quickly log out and sign back in. Notice that WinZip is gone from our desktop. If we hit the Start charm and type in 7-zip, as you can see here, these are just web links, so 7-zip's no longer installed. If I click on it, it's going to take me to a web page. For this exercise, we're back in PLAB DC, our domain controller. Let's navigate to our C drive, right mouse click, new folder. We'll name this folder Engineering. Right mouse click on the folder, go down to Properties, Advanced Sharing, share this folder, click on Permissions, Full Control, OK, OK, click the Security tab, Advanced, click on Disable Inheritance, select Convert Inheritance Permissions into Explicit Permissions on this object. Remove the 2 instances of users, the Practice Labs users that is. Then click on Add. Select Principal. Type G Engineering. Hit Check Names or Enter. Select Full Control. Click OK and OK and close. Let's go back to Group Policy Management. Right mouse click on Engineering, select Create a GPO on this domain. We'll name this one Folder Redirection. Select Engineering, right mouse click on Folder Redirection, select Edit. User Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, expand Folder Redirection. Right click on Documents, select Properties, In the documents settings, choose Advanced. Under Security Group Membership, click on Add. Security Group Membership, click Browse, and type in G Engineering. You could hit Enter or check names. Okay. Enter your root path and click OK. And OK. Click OK for this message about supporting older versions. Next, we'll jump into our Windows 8 box. Actually, let's sign out of administrator and sign in as one of our regular users. So let's open up File Explorer. Right mouse click on Documents, choose Properties, and let's verify its current location, which is C users Jan Regis, and this is the local path. Click OK. Let's open up a commands prompt. Force a group policy update. Updated successfully. Let's go back to Documents, right mouse click on it, select Properties. Still showing as local. Let me check something. Let's try signing out of Jan and signing back on. Perfect. So now it shows that the Documents folder resides on the server Plab DC 01 Engineering Jan Regis folder. Let's click OK to get out of this. Select Documents, right mouse click, select New, Rich Text Document. We'll name this one Jan Regis Proposal. Go ahead and sign out of Jan. To configure our logon scripts, we'll be working inside of our Plab DC domain controller again. Let's open up File Explorer, click on the View tab, click on Options, change folder and search options, click the View tab, select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, and clear the check mark on Hide Extension for Files Types. Click OK. Open up Group Policy Management. Right click on the Marketing OU. Select Create a GPO. We will name this one Logon Script. Hit OK. Select Marketing. Right mouse click Logon Script, select Edit. Navigate to User Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, and Scripts. Right mouse click on Logon, choose Properties, click Add. In the script name, choose Browse. In the dialog box, right mouse click, select New, text document, and we will call this one logon.bat and remove the .txt following it. Hit enter. Yes. Right mouse click on logon.bat, select Edit. In this bat file, we're going to place the netuse command, and we'll go ahead and save this. Go ahead and click OK twice. Now let's jump into our Windows 8 box to test. Log in as a new user this time. Let's launch File Explorer. Let's refresh to see if the SW folder shows up. And I don't see it. Let's run a GP update force. Alright, so we're going to have to sign in and sign back out. Sometimes it takes the system a few minutes to update these policies. We'll move on to the next exercise, then come back around and double check on this if time permits. Let's jump back into our domain controller. Let's go into Server Manager and click on Local Server. Locate IE Enhanced Configuration. There it is. Click on the hyperlink. Under Administrators, we'll select Off. Click OK. Let's close Server Manager. Launch Internet Explorer and go to the following site. Alright, I had to make a web search for the updated URL for this file. And we found it, we're here. So Office 2010 Administrative Template Files. Let's go ahead and download. Go ahead and close out of these. Let's open up Group Policy Management. Right mouse click on Default Domain Policy, choose Edit. Let's go to User Configuration, Policies, and Administrative Templates. Right mouse click on Administrative Templates, select Add Remove Templates, click Add, navigate to this PC, Downloads, ADM, ENUS, Office 14 ADM, click Open and close. From within Windows folder, navigate to C, Windows, sysfile, practicelabs.com, policies. Let's create a new folder here. Right mouse click, select new folder. We will call this folder Policy Definitions. Open a fresh Explorer window. This time, navigate to C, Windows, Policy Definitions. Do a Control-All to select all. Right mouse click, copy. Navigate back to the Policy Definitions folder in sysfile. Right mouse click, paste. Let's go back to Group Policy Management. Right mouse click on Default Domain Policy and select Edit. User Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates. Notice that the policy definitions ADMX files are retrieved from the central store status. For this next exercise, we'll jump into our Windows 7 box. Let's open up Control Panel and click on Programs. Select Turn Windows Features On or Off. Clear the check mark from Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 and press OK. Launch Internet Explorer and go to the following site. Okay, looks like they changed the URL to some of these sites. So in this case, I just Google the old URL, and Google's pretty good about giving me the accurate location. So we're going to download the ADMX migrator. Next, we're going to download a couple of template files as well. Select your template, click Next, and allow once. Select Run. Select Administrator, Downloads, New folder, and we'll call this one Office 2010. Click OK. Right mouse click on Default Domain Policy and choose Edit. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Policies, and on Administrative Templates, right mouse click and select Filter Options. And we'll keep the default for Managed, Configured, and Commented. On Enable Keyword Filters, we'll put a check mark on there. And we'll be filtering for the words Automatic Updates. We'll keep these defaults checked as well. Enable Requirements Filters, we will check that. Let's find Windows 8. We'll check Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 and click OK. To display all of our policy settings, right mouse click on Administrative Template and select Filter On. There you have it. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.